Have you ever wondered why your body feels like a completely different machine every 10 years? Why energy seems to fall off a cliff after 30? Why that stubborn weight around the midsection feels impossible to budge after 40? Or why your sleep, mood, and even your drive for life seem to shift without warning? Most people will tell you it's just getting older. They'll tell you to accept the decline. But they are wrong. It isn't just age, it's hormonal communication. Hormones are your body's chemical messengers. They are the software that runs your biological hardware. As you age, the software updates and the signals change. The good news? You can debug the system and optimize these signals at every stage of life. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the hormonal decades. We'll explore the exact shifts happening in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. And I'll give you the science-backed lifestyle protocols to keep your biological symphony in perfect harmony. Stay with me until the end, because hormone health doesn't decline by accident. It responds to how you live. Section 1. The Hormonal Orchestra. 1. The Big Three: insulin, cortisol, and sex hormones. Before we look at age, we must understand the hierarchy of hormones. Think of them as an orchestra. Insulin is the conductor. It manages your energy and fat storage. Cortisol is the percussion. It manages your stress and survival. Testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone are the soloists. They manage your growth, repair, and vitality. If the conductor, insulin, is frantic and the percussion, cortisol, is too loud, the soloist's sex hormones cannot be heard. This is why you can't fix your libido or your muscle mass if your stress and blood sugar are out of control. Optimization starts from the top down. Section 2. Ages 20 to 30, the foundation of resilience. 2. The hormonal prime. In your 20s, your body is a growth machine. Growth hormone, GH, is high, testosterone is at its peak for men, and estrogen or progesterone are cycling robustly for women. Your body is incredibly resilient. You can survive on pizza and 4 hours of sleep, but this is a trap. 3. The habit seed phase. The 20s are about building hormonal reserve. The habits you form here dictate how early your crash will happen later. The insulin trap. Chronic intake of liquid sugar and processed carbs in your 20s starts the process of insulin resistance early. The protocol: focus on building the engine. This is the time to maximize bone density and muscle mass. Heavy lifting in your 20s creates a skeletal bank account that will protect you in your 80s. The sleep factor. Sleep is when growth hormone is released. If you skip sleep in your 20s, you are literally cutting off your body's ability to repair itself. Section 3. Ages 30 to 40, the subtle drift. 4. The slow decline. Around age 30, the drift begins. Growth hormone starts to dip by about 1% to 2% per year. For men, testosterone begins its gradual slide. For women, progesterone may start to decline, leading to estrogen dominance, which can manifest as increased anxiety and sleep issues. 5. Stress versus vitality. This is often the decade of peak career and family stress. High cortisol is the biggest hormone killer in your 30s. When cortisol is chronically high, your body performs hormonal steel. It uses the building blocks of your sex hormones to make more stress hormones instead. The protocol: move from intensity to consistency. Strength training is now mandatory to hold onto muscle. Micronutrient focus. Magnesium and zinc become critical. Magnesium calms the nervous system, allowing your hormones to reset at night. Zinc is essential for the production of testosterone and thyroid hormones. Section 4. Ages 40 to 50, the awareness phase. 6. The critical decade. This is where the check comes due for the habits of your 20s and 30s. For women, this is the transition into perimenopause. For men, it's often the onset of andropause. 7. Insulin sensitivity, the pivot point. In your 40s, your body becomes less forgiving of carbohydrates. Your insulin sensitivity naturally drops. This is why middle-age spread happens, the weight gain around the belly. This isn't just fat, it's an endocrine organ that produces inflammatory cytokines, further damaging your hormones. The protocol: protein is non-negotiable. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of protein at every meal to protect your metabolic rate. Circadian alignment. Start viewing sunlight as a hormone. Getting 10 minutes of morning sun sets your melatonin clock for the night. If you don't sleep in your 40s, you cannot balance your hormones. The protocol: protein is non-negotiable. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of protein at every meal to protect your metabolic rate. Circadian alignment. Start viewing sunlight as a hormone. Getting 10 minutes of morning sun sets your melatonin clock for the night. If you don't sleep in your 40s, you cannot balance your hormones. Section 5. Ages 50 to 60, protection and balance. 8. The Great Transition. By 50, menopause is usually established, and for men, testosterone levels may be 25% lower than their peak. Inflammation risk, the inflammaging process, begins to rise. 9. Muscle as medicine. In this decade, your muscle is your most important endocrine organ. Muscle produces myokines that reduce systemic inflammation. The protocol: support the thyroid. The thyroid is your metabolic thermostat, and it often slows down in your 50s. Avoid extreme fasting or chronic calorie restriction, which can signal the thyroid to shut down to conserve energy. The gut hormone connection. Your gut biome helps excrete used estrogen. A high-fiber diet, 30 grams plus per day, is essential to prevent recirculating hormones that can lead to mood swings and weight gain. Section 6. 60 plus, the longevity phase. 10. Hormones for independence. Hormone optimization at 60 and beyond is about one thing: independence. It's about keeping your brain sharp and your bones strong. 11. The growth factor. While growth hormone is low, you can still stimulate IGF-1 and mTOR through resistance training and adequate protein. The protocol: social connection as a hormone. Positive social interaction releases oxytocin, which directly counters cortisol and supports heart health. Blood sugar stability. At 60 plus, spikes in blood sugar are particularly damaging to brain health. Walk for 10 minutes after every meal. It is a glucose sponge that stabilizes your hormonal response. Section 7. Common mistakes and endocrine disruptors. 12. The hack trap. People spend thousands on supplements but ignore the foundations. No pill can fix 5 hours of sleep or a high-stress lifestyle. 13. Endocrine disruptors, the hidden killers. Our modern world is filled with xenoestrogens, chemicals in plastics, BPA, receipts, and certain skincare products that mimic estrogen and confuse your body's receptors. The action: switch to glass containers, avoid fragrances in laundry detergents, and eat organic when possible to reduce the toxic load on your liver, which is responsible for processing all your hormones. Section 8. The environmental thieves. 14. The invisible hormone mimickers. Even if your diet and exercise are perfect, you might be fighting a losing battle due to endocrine-disrupting chemicals, EDCs. These are synthetic substances found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products that mimic your natural hormones. They bind to your receptors, specifically estrogen receptors, and send fake signals to your cells. 15. Xenoestrogens and the hormonal load. BPA in plastic water bottles and phthalates in scented candles are known as xenoestrogens. They can lead to estrogen dominance in both men and women, contributing to stubborn belly fat, mood swings, and even lower sperm counts in men. The action step: stop microwaving food in plastic containers. The heat leaches these chemicals directly into your food. Switch to glass or stainless steel. Filter your water. Many municipal water supplies contain trace amounts of hormones and chlorine that can interfere with your thyroid. A high-quality water filter is a direct investment in your hormonal health. The clean rule: if your skincare or laundry detergent has fragrance listed as an ingredient, it likely contains phthalates. Choose fragrance-free to lower your body's toxic load. Section 9. The Universal Protocol. 16. The Big Four. Daily signals. Regardless of your age, these 4 signals tell your hormones that the environment is safe, stable, and ready for repair. Signal 1. The morning light. Spike. Viewing sunlight within 30 minutes of waking triggers a cortisol spike that wakes you up and sets a timer for melatonin production 16 hours later. This is the foundation of the circadian rhythm. Signal 2. The post-meal walk. Walking for just 10 minutes after a meal allows your muscles to sop up glucose without requiring a massive insulin spike. This protects your insulin sensitivity as you age. Signal 3. Resistance training, the anabolic signal. You must challenge your muscles at least twice a week. This sends a signal to the brain that the body is needed and active, which keeps testosterone and growth hormone levels higher than in sedentary individuals. Signal 4. The 2-hour digital sunset. Blue light from screens at night tells your brain the sun is still up. This suppresses melatonin and raises nighttime cortisol, which is the #1 cause of waking up tired. Turn off the bright overhead lights 2 hours before bed.